Hello students, in this lecture we will solve problems where we have to find dy by dx by finding dx by dy. In the previous video I solved few problems of the same type. Now in this problem we will take fourth one where if y is equal to log of 2x plus 1, where y equals to log of 2x plus 1, then how to find dy by dx? For this, how to find dy by dx? By finding dx by dy. How to find dy by dx? By finding dx by dy. So first we will find dx by dy, then 1 upon dx by dy will be dy by dx. So let's begin. As you know students, this is logarithmic function y equals to log of 2x minus 1. So in this what I will do for you is, let's have a quick revision of logarithmic function. So the first thing we will do is revision of logarithm. So if you remember, the first thing that comes in logarithm is the definition. The definition of logarithm. How do we define? If x raised to if a raised to x equals to y, then log of y with base a is equal to x. You will have to remember here that this part is known as exponential form. This is exponential form. And this part is known as logarithmic form. So from exponential form we can write logarithmic form as this. If a raised to x is y, then log of y to the base a is equal to x. Then log of y to the base a is equal to x. The base is a. I will give you one example here. Suppose you have 10 raised to 3. Tell me students, if the base is 10 and you have power of 10 as 3, what will this be equal to? Very simple, 1000. So this is exponential form. From this exponential form, you can write logarithmic form as, what will be the logarithmic form? Students, it will be log of 1000 to the base 10 equals to 3. So what is important here students? That whether it is exponential form or it is logarithmic form, whether it is exponential form, this is exponential form, and here you have logarithmic form. In both the forms, the base number is same. The base here is 10 and the base here is also 10. Further, in the exponential form, the number which you refer to as power, is the log value. It is the log value. Okay. So in short, what we can say for logarithm? For logarithm, we can say that Suppose I have here 7 raised to 2 equals to 49. So you will write this as, this is exponential form. The same form which is exponential form, you can write it as logarithmic form. What will that be? It will be log of 49 to the base 7 is equal to 2. Okay. So I can put logarithm in a statement as follows. What will be the definition? I can put this in the statement, English statement, and what will that be? Log of a number, see students, this is the number, okay? So log of a number to given base is a number by which if the base is raised, you will get this number. So log of 49 to the base 7 is 2. Why? Because if the base 7 is raised by this number, if base 7 is raised by this number, then you will get 49. So on this line, students, if I ask you log of 36 to the base 6, what it should be? Take a pause and tell me what should it be? It should be 2. Why? Because log of any number to a given base should be equal to that number. It should be equal to that number which when given to the power of base, we should get the original number whose logarithm you found. Okay, is that clear? This number whose logarithm is being found is also known as argument. This number is also known as argument. 36 is also known as argument. 49 is argument. Okay, so students, we can now solve question number 4. Log y equals to log of 2x minus 1. Y equals to log of 2x minus 1. So let me start solving this. Here, question number 4. Y equals to log of 2x minus 1. So here the base is not given. So it is understood, students, that base is e. Okay. One thing you have to remember, that what is required, the question was find derivative of y with respect to x. So when if you have to find derivative with respect to x, then you have to differentiate with respect to x. But in this question, it is not that. You have to find dy by dx by finding dx by dy. So what you will do first is, you will first find dx by dy. You will first find dx by dy. And once you have found dx by dy, 1 upon dx by dy will be dy by dx. So see, how do I find dx by dy? First I write from y equals to f of x, I write x equals to f inverse of y. So this is log form. From this I will write inverse, that is I will write the exponential form. So see students, I will get e raised to y equals to 2x minus 1. I hope you understand. E raised to y equals to 2x minus 1. You know, from log form, if you are writing exponential form, then base here will remain the base. Okay. And the log value becomes the power, equals to 2x minus 1. So the next step is e raised to y plus 1 equals to 2x. Okay. Therefore, e raised to y plus 1 upon 2 equals to x. So what you got is, you got x equals to, you got here x equals to e raised to y plus 1 upon 2. The next step I will write differentiating with respect to x. So you will, I'm sorry, you know what mistake I made here? The mistake was I will differentiate with respect to y. Why that, students? Because I got the function x equals to f inverse of y. Here we had y equals to f of x. Okay, so I will differentiate with respect to y. So I will get d by dy of x equals to d by dy of e raised to y plus 1 upon 2. Now this 1 upon 2 is a constant out. I will get d by dy of e raised to y plus 1. You know, students, so 1 upon 2 d by dy of e raised to y, and here plus d by dy of 1, which is 0. The next step you have to write d by dy of e raised to y. You all know, students, that d by, so dx by dy you will get equal to 1 upon 2 as it is, half written as it is, and inside the bracket this function is e raised to y and the variable is y. You are also differentiating with respect to y, so this will be, derivative will be e raised to y. So the final answer you get is e raised to y upon 2. This is dx by dy. You got? Okay. And what is e raised to 2y, students? E raised to 2y is 2x minus 1. So I get here, therefore, dx upon dy is 2x minus 1 upon 2. 2x minus 1 upon 2. This you can write as equation number 2. Here it is equation number 1. So using 1 and 2 you get this. And the final answer you will write is, we know that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. Okay, where dx upon dy is not equal to 0. So what it will be? It will be 1 upon 2x minus 1 the whole upon 2. That is 2 upon 2x minus 1. This is dy by dx. Okay, students. So your work, your assignment will be to solve question number. You will now solve question number 6, where you will have y plus 3. You will first write in the form x equals to f inverse of y. So this will be y plus 3 equals to e raised to x. How will you solve this? The next step, y plus 3 equals to e raised to x. Now you will write the function in the form x equals to f inverse y. So what will be x? X will be log of y plus 3 to the base e. Okay, this is exponential form. You will write the logarithmic form, and then here you will get this. Same way you will solve 8th and 7th problem. These problems are homework for you. You practice this well. Okay, rewind the, replay the video and learn it. Thank you.